Hi guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon so that you never miss any of our uploads. I am back with another review and today I am going to review PinChat. So PinChat is a tool that lets you create your own chat room, and on those chat rooms you can let your customers join and then you can interact with your customers flawlessly. When you are running a business and you have to talk with your customers on a regular basis, it can be a big hassle when some customers are available on Facebook, some are available on Insta. So if you want to bring all of your customers in one single platform, you can use PinChat. All you have to do is create a chat room and then PinChat is going to give you a link. You can share that link to your customers so that they can join on your chat room. You will also get QR codes and you can also make your customers scan those QR codes to join your chat room. And to join the chat room, there is no need for login, signing up or anything like that. And the great news is PinChat is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. So the regular price is $499, which is close to $500. But in Appsumo, you are getting 86% off, which means the lifetime price of PinChat is only $69. And this is a single payment. So if you want to buy the lifetime deal of PinChat, make sure you check the link in the description below. Here are all the features that are available with this deal. And here are the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $69 with 2,500 active users and 2 sub-accounts. And sub-account is the account for your moderators or your agents that are going to help your customers when you are not available. The license tier 2 costs $129 with 10,000 users and 5 accounts, sub-accounts. And then there is the tier 3 with a cost of $199 and here are the limits. The highest tier is tier 5 with a price of $399 and here are the limits. And if you want to see all of the primary features of PinChat in shortcut, here are those. So you get the pinboard, which is the landing page. You can create surveys. You have the option to use the chatbot so that you can prevent answering repeated questions. You can use sub-accounts for your agents or your moderators. There is chat widget feature and also data analysis. And here are the subscription plans if you are interested. So after you log into PinChat, you will get this dashboard. And as you can see, currently I have 2 chat rooms. Chat room is exactly the place where you have to host all of your chats. And to create a chat room, you have to click on this new link. Then you have to choose if you want the message system to be direct or group chat. So let's keep it direct. And then here is the link. And you can also customize this link if you want. Then you can choose the chat room name. You can also choose your own display name. And then you have the option to upload your avatar here. So once all of the settings are done, simply click on create. So as you can see, this is the link of my chat room in PinChat. So let's copy this link. So as you can see, now my room has appeared on the dashboard. Now let's paste the link on some other browser and then try to see if the chat is really working. So here we are in another browser, Mozilla Firefox. So as you can see, now we are in PinChat's website. Now all I have to do is give my name and then click on engage now. So as you can see, now I have successfully entered to the chat room called SLD and there is already one message from Abrar, which is the admin of this chat room. Now let's send a message, and to send the message simply click on this button. So as you can see, one message has been sent, and for example, the admin, which is Abrar in this example, he is not available and he is going to reply to your message later. So how would you understand that he has replied? For that, you can enter your email in this box and then click on confirm. So once Abrar replies to your message, you are going to get the notification on your email. So I think this is a pretty cool feature. And on this chat room, you can send many other things, such as you can send stickers. As you can see, there are many stickers here. You can also record a voice message and then send that. You can also use different types of emojis. You can attach files. You can add your location. You can also translate content if you want. Now let's see this hi, what's up, this message was really sent or not. For that, we have to go back to the dashboard. So back to the dashboard, on this SLD tab, as you can see, there is already one message showing, which is the message that we just sent. So let's open this. So on the left side, you can see the message. Let's open this. And as you can see, hi, what's up? Here is the message and it is marked as unread. Now you can reply to the message. So this is going to be my reply of the message. Let's send this one. Now let's go back to my other browser. And as you can see, now we have got this message that we just sent. And you can also see the read notification, which means if someone sees your message, you are going to get that by this read icon. And you can even react to a message, which is a great feature. For example, I want to react to this message. So let's react wow. So as you can see, the reaction has been added. Now let's go back to the dashboard. So on the dashboard, there are many other settings, such as you can turn on the notification. You can also turn on the offline notification setting. You can export the chat log. You can make your active status visible by enabling this option. And you can also see the amount of members that are available on this chat room. And on the left side, you can create new broadcast message. You can also add a folder. And here are also the other options that I have already showed you. So back to the dashboard. Now, if you want to see all of your chat rooms in one place, you can also do that. You have to click on this. As you can see now, all of the conversations that I have done are appearing on this left side. So let's go back. Now there is another feature that I talked about at the start of this video, that was scanning QR code. So if you want to give your customer a QR code and you want your customers to join using that QR code, you can do that by clicking on this icon. So display QR code. So as you can see, this is the QR code. Now you can download it or display it. And if your customer scans this QR code, he or she is going to join your chat room. You can also share the link from here. There are also some advanced room settings, chat room settings that you can adjust. For that, you have to click on this edit. Now, as you can see, here are all the pinboard settings. So you can show the pinboard page. Here is the welcome message. As you can see, this was our welcome message. And if you want to change that welcome message, you can do that from this pinboard setting. You can also change the start chat button text, engage now. You can make the nickname required. You can set the welcome page logo with your own brand logo. You can set the display ratio. You can choose the theme color. You can also choose the background. So here are some backgrounds. You can also upload your own background if you want. Then there are some other settings. And on the top side, there are also the chat room settings. So here are all the chat room settings. And on the right side of the chat room settings, you can see a full preview of your chat room on a mobile view. Now there are also some other settings. So if you go to advanced settings, on this section, you are going to get some advanced settings such as the chat widget. So you can select the chat widget, shape, the appearance color, the button image. You can also copy the code. And here is the preview for that. You can also create a survey. For that, you have to click on create survey. And then you have to fill all these details. Then there is the sub account settings. So you can add agents or moderators for your brand. And then you can also create a chatbot, which is called PinBot. It is going to automate your customer service, which is really good. For that, you have to click on create chatbot. Now you have to provide the chatbot name, avatar. You also have to turn on the chatbot. And then you also have to adjust some settings such as these robot settings. So you have to choose how to activate your chatbot. You have to select the message notification. You can select the main flow settings, the exception flow settings. So you can create a message flow on here. And for that, you have to add message using text or image message, button template message, carousel template message. And then there is these settings. You can also create your custom domain. Then on the left side, there is the analytics section. So on this analytics, you are going to get the monthly statistics of your chat rooms. So here are the amount of chat links we created, the amount of chat rooms, messages, unique users, page view, effective interaction. So you can also see a chart. And then there are the user properties. So you can see what browser a user is using. You can also see all of your links with their statistics. And you can also export the data if you want. And you can also take some actions by these view details. So this is the details of a single chat room, which is the SLD chat room. Here are all the statistics. You can also see chat rooms that you joined. So here is only one chat room that I have joined, which is the PinChat customer support. And if you want, you can also change the language. For that, you have to click on this. Now you can choose whatever language that you prefer. So overall, I think PinChat is an excellent tool that lets you create your own chat room. And then on that particular chat room, you can have your customers or your clients, whoever you want. And the chat room has almost all the features that a messenger app or a chatting app should have. You can send emojis, you can send stickers, you can send voice messages, you can react to messages, you can see the active status. So I think PinChat all in all is giving some really good features at this price point of only $69. So if you want to buy the lifetime deal of PinChat from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. These are the features that you are going to get with this deal, and these are the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. There are also the tier 4, and the tier 5. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.